The next building block that I want to talk about is a silo cloud. This is kind of a adaptation of what we've talked about before with methods of building stacks. What we're going to do is you're going to build a cloud cloud type stack. Same as before, you've got your target page, you've got the base release for the cloud, but instead of individual press releases, you're going to do those full stacks. And we talked about this really briefly in a previous session, but each silo has a separate topic or keyword, and then you're going to link, to that base release. For extra bonus points, link to other silos with a second link in your release. So let's say silo 1, release 3 might link to silo, well, actually that should be silo 1, 2, and 3. I should probably fix that in the slides. But silo 2 would link, would link back to, say, press release 2 in silo 3, for example. So you can add some cross-linking in the actual silo releases just to give, kind of a little bit more cross-relevance. Combining this with the redirect that we talked about before, turns us into this big, gigantic, tangled mess of backlinks that the Google bot and other crawlers are going to get stuck in, and they're going to go back and forth, and you're going to kind of amplify everything. Very similar to building, looped iframe pages and things like that. That you may have heard people talking about when you trap the crawler essentially in your own structure until it reaches its crawl depth. All of that link equity is going to end up in your lap as opposed to somebody else's. So this is a building block, and it's especially powerful when used with the link redirect methods here, specifically these last two for with the stacks.